morning, guys and girls, queens and kings, my day ones, my chombololot. Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's a Sunday morning and it's a beautiful morning. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. Namibia has been blessed with rain this year. We have been raining since I think Feb, somewhere in Feb. We've been raining since then, and now in March, around from the 17th there, it got really like we got rain, like one of the best. Like we can't complain, guys. If you know, Namibia is a dry country. um it's a desert area, so Namibia is very dry. So we have received rain and we really love it, and it's all thanks to God. Like last year we were experiencing drought, guys. Like our animals were literally dying. I literally saw a cow just sitting, and it died on that spot like in 2 days. So our animals were dying, drought we were experiencing. And I think around last in November, we started praying, like our church, we started praying really hard for rain. And I know everybody else was praying for rain, because the drought affects you as, like, as if you're a Namibian, it affects you one way or another. So I know a lot of Namibians were praying for rain, and guys, we received rain, and I can tell you it is just like this all over. It is just water, it is green, it's beautiful, it's the best. So anyway, let me not be here for too long. I am just here to like say welcome back to another video, and I hope you love this video, and I hope you subscribe. See you guys. I'm on my way to church. I don't know whether I'll take you along to church, but I will add some snippets here and there in church. So let's go. I am on my way alone earlier. My family will come to me later. But I'm on my way alone earlier, as I said now, because I am serving. I am part of the hospitality team, so I need to be there a bit earlier. That's why. Let me go. Let's. Guys, that's not smoke, that's fog. How beautiful. Love, guys, I got a love. This is me going off this car now. Life. Good morning. How are you? Guys, I'm headed to church. I am here now. I am here. coffee. The coffee is there. This one is for the tea. Juice now. We need to make juice. Just be careful.
How could you believe Dr. Silver? He set everything up. I only believe what I see with my own eyes.
What day?
Take the water carefully.
Now what?
The eggs. Can you break them?
Yeah. Yo.
Okay, break it.
Yuck.
Oops. Okay.
Yuck. Okay?
Okay, the next egg.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Open it. Open the egg. Yes.
Yuck, yuck.
That's.
Huh?
Okay, now you send me that video, but didn't hear me.
Hi. Why are you cooking it?
What are you making?
Cupcake.
Is it?
Yeah. Fun.
Come on, what? A baby? Baby frog, what?
A tadpole.
Yes, I know, but when somebody just come and tell me, I got a tadpole, I will not register, guys. Like, and now they are telling me, come on, I didn't go to school or what?
What?
Mommy, you know you got a pada first pop or what?
What is the first?
A pada? Okay, the body of a pada and it has a first.
No, ik denk een klein padda wordt een paddavis geroepen. In Afrikaans.
Yeah.
Ja, dat is een paddavis.
And in English, the tadpole.
Ja, in Engels is dat tepo.
Then I like to call it what?
Zo'n klein padda is een paddavis. Je hebt iets geleerd vandaag.
Can I go say I caught the pada first?
It's somewhere here. Go on.
Why are you looking at me like
Edo.
I don't even know what's wrong with you. It's always
Then you should. Oh, you
guys are
Go out. What did you do?
It's your food.
Heb je dat blikje gezien?
just say what?
Junior, listen. Hey, go out. Out. This is not yours. Eat there, or you will not eat.
Why are you staring at me like that? Do I look creepy?
Mommy,
Sorry, I'm makeup.
There you go.
I'm makeup.
have you seen my
If anyone's not on this list, I keep them out.
No, I mean in general, you are supposed to wear that.
But there is a
I know what's good.
Even.
If I get my PlayStation, we never gave you.
Yes, now we can see you guys. Good morning, guys and girls, queens and kings, my day ones, my chombololos. But anyway, guys, our vlogging is not vlogging. It's because I don't have a tripod. I have told you guys a million times I don't have a tripod, and I just feel like it's no longer an excuse because I need to go get a tripod. But the problem is I don't get a chance to go to the shops because I have things that I'm doing during the day and I am at home. So I cannot just stand up and leave and sending my husband. I don't, no. Yeah, it's another story for another day. But yeah, I will make time somewhere, somehow to go get it. But for now, we are struggling to vlog because of that. But the other thing that I'm also struggling to vlog, the other thing as to why I'm also struggling to vlog is, guys, why are you not subscribing but you're watching? I will put up the statistics for subscribers and the ones that are not subscribed but you guys are watching. Just guys, please let me give you a moment to just press the subscription button right now. Just wait, then subscribe. If you're watching on a phone, make the screen small and wait, then subscribe. Please just go subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't do anything. We are pushing to get those 500 subscribers, guys. Please, we are now. If I upload this video and we are by 400, I'll be so grateful because we are like 5 or so subscribers away from 400 at this point. But our main goal is 500 subscribers for now, because end of December we want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please, guys, subscribe. Huh? Please do that. If you're watching on the TV, you can also just, when just press info or whatever, then those things will pop up there. You will see. So please, guys, even if you're watching on the TV, just take this time to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, it has been raining. It has been raining cats and dogs, guys. The clip before this where I'm talking about the amount of rain we've received, it was zoomed in and I didn't notice. And obviously if I redo it, I will not say all the things that I was saying. So it will be like a duplicate, and duplicate is not a good thing. It's a copy and paste and it doesn't come out the way it's supposed to come out. So I just felt like it's fine. I can stare in your faces for those 2 minutes. Just bear with me. So yeah, that's what happened. It has still been raining. Today is Monday. Today is Thursday, guys. It's Thursday, the 26th of March, and yesterday we received rain again. This week it was a bit quiet. No, we received rain Monday. It's only Tuesday that it didn't rain. And then it started. Yeah, yesterday we received rain again, so I was doing laundry. Good thing is I'm home, so I did laundry in the morning. But the last batch did not reach the line because it started to rain in the night. Not in the night, but after 5, it started to rain. So that batch didn't reach the line. So I'm just gonna hang them up and then I'm gonna take you guys through my day because this vlog needs to end now, today. Okay? Okay. Guys, I just got out of the house now to hang the clothes, but I can feel some drops. It's not like raining, but there are a few very small, tiny drops. Now I don't know. No, I don't know. No, I don't know whether I must just hang them or I don't know. I'll give it 10 minutes and I'll come hang them. But now let me just leave them outside. Okay, I've decided to just hang the clothes because They are gone. Those small tiny droplets are gone. Those tiny small droplets are gone. So let me just hang. But before I hang the clothes, let me look for some scenery, some ambience. This morning I am again. It's such a beautiful morning. It is a very beautiful morning. I'll show you guys now how it looks like. I was reminded once again, that we should be like a tree. A tree stands firm all the 4 seasons. We should be like a tree. When we are facing obstacles, we should still stand firm, because we are serving a loving God, and we know of the promises that He has said to us. Therefore, we should not be shaken by the wind, or by the sun, or by the leaves falling off, or by the leaves growing, because it's all, it's like this. Life is like a valley, like a, I don't know, like a river flowing. There are ups and downs, and what, but we should stand firm. It's so beautiful. You know that it's so beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah. I have so much to say, but for now, let's just end there. Let me show you how beautiful it is, actually. Such a beautiful day. It's my neighbor's yard, guys. Let's see the difference. See the way that the tall ones are starting. Guys, I need to cut these things. Oh, we need to cut, but yeah, it's such a beautiful day. Look, we're gonna get rain today. I know, I can see. So beautiful. But yeah, I am here for this. I am here for this. Yeah. That's where we are. Let's get to work. Work at work. Guys, this is all the laundry I did yesterday, and I need to fold it now. I don't think I'll fold everything, but I at least want to fold my husband's training clothes, and then Junior's things. Then the rest can wait. I are not. Yeah, so let's do that.
Okay guys, we have came to the end of the video. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. Also, I forgot to say, also comment on this video if you liked it.